Hello guys, my name is Pav Yadav and welcome to my channel. So my channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I can I can discuss with you the what is 404 error and the what is exactly solution for the 404 error. For the many people can know for the previously before 2023, the one practices we are mostly doing the redirection. So you can think about if we are getting a 404 error, then 301 redirection is good. What do you can think? Suppose that if you have any kind of services, okay, then the page is trashed, other removed. Then after that, the Google you are getting a 404 indication from Google. So you can think this service page you can redirect on index page. Okay, if you don't have any proper page, are you if you are planning to create a new pages for the related 404 URL, that is okay. But if you don't have, then you are planning to you can redirect in a on a home page. So that is not okay, because before creating this video I have researched many things on the Google article and the other articles also. So I was rectify the 404 URL 301 redirection is the not permanent solution. So what we can do? So I have a one website. So I'm the Google indicating 80 pages for 80 404 pages 404 issue 404 not found issue. Okay. So let me check what was the exact reason why Google crawler can fetch this URL in a database. So there are two to three factors how Google crawler can fetch this data. So now we can talk about if this URL anywhere indicating in sitemap, then Google crawler can fetch your URL. And others, if any pages are the content any content in your pages, they can interlink internal inter interlink. Okay, that's a correct interlink. If in your internal content, they can interlink intern eh, interlink this URL anywhere in a content, and this URL is are not live now. So then Google crawler can fetch this data. And others also, the if you are a create anytime some time ago you are a create this URL, you are not anywhere link in a content in a website sitemap anywhere other also, then then Google crawler can fetch this data. So understand how we can rectify the Google crawler can how Google crawler can fetch this data. So now we have total three options. Now copy the URL in a clipboard. Now we can open in a new tab, and now we can inspect URL. So we can go for there. We can go for that option. So now, and the one thing I can also let you know, if you going to request indexing other fixed error issue, that is not a good things. So first thing you have if you are properly solve this problem, then you can going for the index other request for the I can show you the button. Yeah, fixed validate fix. If you can solve this all solve all URL issue, then you have to go for the validate fix option. So now we can fetch the data. How Google now you have to go for the discovery option. Discovery option can give you all the information about this URL. So there are indicating now no referring sitemap detected. Okay, and the referring page is also not detected. And there are one mention is URL might be known from other source that are currently not reported. Okay, so that means some while ago we are creating this URL and the easily we can remove it. So what was the solution for this problem? So we have to go for URL removal option. So now I can copy this URL and now I can go in for the URL removing option, because this is a simple solution. Because if you can redirect many URLs in an index page, so that means you are getting sneaky redirection penalty on your website. So that can also reduce your site quality on a Google crawler's nature. So that's why we have to go for the URL removal option. That can give you around 6 months of temporary removal, but it is okay. After that, Google crawler can also permanently can remove in a database. So there are two options: remove this URL only, remove all URLs with this prefix. So I don't know, we for the this prefix we have all other URLs also, but we can go for the remove this URL only. There are remove of other URLs leading to this content must be requested separately. So you have to submit one by one URL for this removal request. And now I can teach you, let you know, I can discuss with you block URL from Google search result for fixed 6 months. Okay, and clear current snippet and cache version. They will be regenerate after the next scroll for permanent removal. Either block pages from indexing or remove them from the site. Okay, so after the removal request, you have to you can make sure make sure to remove the cache of this URL. Okay, or any kind of cookie. So now we have to submit a request. So our request is submitted now. So if you have any concern for this tactic, so you have to let me know, because from my side I do many research for this 404 indexing issue. So that's why I was decided to I can discuss with you. If you have anything advanced for me for this, so guys, most welcome. You can discuss with me on a comment, and I can also provide my contacts. But if you can uh, comment your thoughts, it will be very good things to others can understand. So if you guys can watching till end, so thanks for the watching, and please subscribe my channel. I'm a new um, on a YouTube market. So if you can subscribe my channel, it is a very good for me. So thanks for the watching, and please subscribe, and take care for yourself and your family and your friends, because at that time I don't have anything for me. So that's why I was spending my times for the different things. Because if I can sorry, if I can keep myself an introvert other alone, that can make me a depression and kind of things. So that's why I was doing many things in my life. If I can wake up, I can think what I can do. If I'm going somewhere outside, I'm can also thinking like, what I can do. So that's why I was doing these things. I also have in my bucket list others options. So thanks for the watching, and please keep subscribe. Bye bye, take care.